Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This video is specially made for Oppo Reno 15 Pro users. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the incoming call not showing problem in a very easy and clear way so you never miss important calls. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to stay updated with all our tech tips. Alright, let's get straight into the video.